Ohio Prime 29. Today we have slime. We have chocolate ice cream slime right here. It smells like chocolate. We have vanilla and strawberry. I did it the long way, obviously. And I have a spoon. And you might be wondering, where's the guy that made the Ohio Prime 29? He's right now behind the camera. I'm not saying. So, ready? We are going to throw this at you. 3, 2, 1. Just joking. But I'll put it on the dog. No. You're scared of slime, aren't you? You don't like it. Because it's all oozy and goozy, right? Well, I did create this little mixture slime. It's pink, chocolate, well, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla all combined. Wait till our next video to see us play with the other slimes. Bye!